In this video, I'm going to show you how to power on the MacBook Pro using an AC adapter. This video might work for you, might not, but this method worked for me. There's been a bunch of different ways on the internet that will show you how to do this, but this is the method that works. So you push the power button, plug in the AC adapter, hold it for 3 seconds, let go of the power button, and the laptop boots. So this is the method that worked for me. Now I have tried this multiple times, as you will be able to see here in the top left corner, and there are many different ways to do this, but this is the method that works constantly. Power on, 1, 2, 3, let go, and then the laptop boots. Okay, let's try again. Press the power button, plug in the AC, 1, 2, 3, let go of the power button. The laptop should boot within 5 to 8 seconds, something like that. You will hear the fan spinning. That's usually a good sign that everything works correctly. Again, this is a MacBook Pro, around 2012, 2013 kind of a model. So give it a shot and let me know if it works or not. If you like this video, click on like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.